at the dog park. Haven't been here in the longest time. There we go. Get some energy. No, Juno, come. There you go. Whoop. Thanks, Lucas. We're in the small dog park. This is meant for small dogs under 30 pounds, but I'd rather them run around in here by themselves because I'm not quite sure how Echo will be around other dogs. So just let these guys play together. Come on, Juno, run! What? He's going to get you.
Second wind. And you're the old girl.
Right.
Get her.
Go
Let's go, guys.
Possibly. Here, isn't she back up? Alright, go ahead. So you've got a couple of Huskies, so they might go after you. Alright. Oh, Ethan. No, we'll do it at home. Don't worry.
Hey, buddy.
His legs were so stubby. He couldn't keep up with all the other dogs.
Another husky, eh?
Here, and he would just get so sad because he couldn't run with the other big one.
Morgan, she got like almost violently humped a couple of weeks ago.
Oh boy.
And now she doesn't want to play with dogs that are bigger than her. She will. That's some nice energy.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a new dog. A new dog.
Zero.
Juno. Juno. Juno.
Jacks never go away. Jacks have the hearts of lions
Yeah.
stuck in a shrimp's body.
Right here.
Oh, look, there's more dogs.
Yeah.
Echo.
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 Here's Juno back there. There's another husky. There's Echo. Juno! Good boy! You listen. Good boy. Cuties. Okay, Lucas, you ready? All right.